Yiyen Holding Group Limited Company, established in 2008, is a high-tech enterprise dedicated to the research, development, and intelligent manufacturing of electronic and electrical products. We provide core power equipment and system solutions for energy Internet of Things. The main products are inverters, battery management system, residential energy storage system, industrial and commercial energy storage system, large-scale energy storage system, wind photovoltaic energy storage system, etc. Seeking benefits through quality and promoting development with science and technology. Yiyen Group maintains products in high quality through our strict quality management system. More than 60 invention patents and utility model patents have been obtained. Our customers cover more than 130 countries and regions, and the future market has great vitality and great potential. Yiyen Group is making unremitting efforts to promote the sustainable development of electric energy industry.